Hey guys, Blocky Kid Blaze MC here. A lot of you don't have like 23 subs like I do. So I thought I would make a tutorial on how to get loads of subs like I do. Um, so yeah, the first technique is to make Roblox videos because then people will offer to give you shoutouts. And like some pe and yeah, like this guy. This guy offered to give me a shout out. So yeah, because I made a Roblox video. Another technique is to make other accounts and then subscribe to yourself on those accounts, so you'll get loads of subs. So yeah, and another technique is to pay people. You can give people in real life money, around $10 to $20, and then they will sub to you, sort of. Uh, you can also beg people for 10 hours, and then eventually they'll sub to you sometimes. Yeah. So another way to get subs is to go on PewDiePie videos and just copy and paste sub to me loads of times on it. As you can see, this is a very good way to get subs. Millions of people will flock to my channel because of this single thing. Also, this channel's great. Oh yeah, by the way, PewDiePie is hacking because he has 54 million subscribers, even though there are only 7 million in the world. So PewDiePie is a stupid hacker and nigger. Okay. You can also force people, like just like get a gun, go to a school, just like point it at people, and then they might sub to you if you don't shoot them. Another way is you, you ask people to sub for sub, which is kind of simple. Basically, you say that you're gonna sub to them, and when you sub to them, ask them to sub to you, and they might sub to you. The key to this is that sometimes if they're stupid, you don't need to sub to them. So and they'll still sub to you. So yeah, super smart. Yeah, and another good thing is to go on live streams and just go on there and just like just type sub to somebody many times.
Did not inform Moscow of this forward. And Wolf, one other.
Okay, sub to me. Sub to me. Sub to me. Do it. Okay, I got a few subs during this method, but for some reason these people don't seem to be responding. No, what the hell? These people won't do anything. What the hell? Why? I'm just trying to get people to sub to me. This stupid thing. Do it. Oh. God, these people are so stupid. Anyways, yeah, I've gotten a few subs before by doing this, and the last and final method is to hack. So just get inspect. So it just change the number. Boom. Yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed and hope you got some useful tips from this. Goodbye.